boy. Yeah. Welcome back to the channel, you know, my people. Don't know how already, you know, when you hear the voice, you don't know how, you know, my people. Yes, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I don't know, today we're going to talk about naked bike versus sport bike. Basically like MT versus a you don't know. We're going to talk about which one needs it better and which one me would I buy if it is the choice. Is it? So make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. So I almost say to one to start it now. You don't know. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna have that. Yeah, you want to? Oh, I'm not here again. Oh, yeah. What was I saying? The RR versus the MTOR, yes. Hold on. Yeah, so what we are saying is, which one would I buy? Well, when you compare the bike then, so you're going to compare MTO7 and which big bike out there come on? Probably a Kawasaki 6J 6C6 or a R6. The thing from paper, the MTO7 I go faster. But if we're supposed to do something like my thing from paper, the MTO7 would have probably faster. But if we do a test like a street test, I think the RR going. Here is the plane, the aerodynamics. For the RR, that's the angle of the wind. That's the angle of the wind. That cut the breeze. While the MTO, to your upright, you know, cut the breeze. But me think the MTO more comfortable and would give a better ride in a Jamaica. Because I think Jamaica have worried for road. In the city, where you can really punch that bike and really go fast. So you're late. If you're late, you even arrive fast. I don't feel like so you can really pump it. Because, watch out. Then you come down, boom, 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 boom. By the time you go to boom, we to one corner, boom, one next corner. But the MTO7 now, I feel like so you can dog it up, you know. You can bend him up and wide him so, waggle him so, and turn him back so. And so, going off on one wheel and them things, you know. But the RR, with the RR for your car, you know, you just, yeah, but all a quiet, you know, that's something in your body, you don't know. But you want to be a hooligan, a street dog, I go for the MTO7. And pricing, the MTO7 actually more expensive than an RR. So you can buy an RR out there right now for $400. You see? But if you can buy an MTO7, so that come with your 800, 600, 700, 900, 1 mil. You see? Your money has go up. And a play thing. You see? So, me personally think so, yo, NPO7 would have been a better choice in Jamaica condition. But if you're not going to race, I go with the wrong one because it happened for the NPO7 based on what we see. Based on what we see on the NPO7, it happened for the you gotta get a river, one way. Then we get a drop, but by the time we're going to sketch, I'm going to go shoot over there. And if you look on crew like all boasty riders and them man there. What's the man them name, man? The front is the big man them ride back, the group there. Them man there. Them have NPL them claim too, they run the field. And when they go for some country run, I'd be 2 bike sessions. You know what goes. Power starting. They don't know. But if I'm in still at the NPL, so we're going to go still. But the thief, if you can't buy the NPO7, I can go and buy I'm going to beat the iron still. But me personally, I think, if I buy I'm going to buy and see if I can buy the NPO7 at night. Again, but yeah man, the NPO7 is going to eat man. At the night, if the night sound good up, yeah, I'm going to put in some clippings at the bike. I'm not going to hear them. I hear all them punch, you know. And then I'm going to stick you out. When the end goes and talk, you know. And you hear the fire. You get it? Yeah, man. What you do it for? Make sure the lights are make sure it's coming up. And thank God look at the flash, you know. Make sure the watch is coming up. And the sun will go already here. You get it? Yeah, man. I feel about this man. I don't know. I go to you. You get it? I feel talking like that. You don't know. But make sure for the light, subscribe, and let's go. Put all your red dress on your house. Look at that sweet tattoo. For you, get brown. Put all your red dress. Wow! Aku temu ke rakal lah, kan? ever. A star indicator.